why you should attend She Renovates Live Part 2. So if you already have a project, what you can do is bring your floor plans along and have them reviewed by our architect, David. Now, David is David Jansen. He's also our son. He's been doing our plans since he started uni, which is nearly a decade ago. He's studied all over the world, including Barcelona, Paris, New Zealand, Sydney. He has also worked in several boutique architecture firms on some really iconic projects like Barangaroo House, the Lavender Bay Boat Shed, so lots of high-end projects. But he's also worked on every one of our renovations for profit, plus he helps our students to get their floor plans right, because that is really essential, and it's a common mistake with amateur renovators to mess up the floor plan, and it's a telltale sign that it's been sort of a DIY design. Anyhow, so what he does at the event is he'll set himself up in a space away from the action so that you can actually go and book in a time and talk over your floor plan with him. And he will give you some practical suggestions to how you can improve it. And other than that, you can also go into the draw to win a private session with him, which is valued between, depending on your property, if it's a unit, it's valued at around $400, and it goes up to $995 for a two-storey house. So an amazing prize, and you go into the draw to win that. So that's another reason why you really should be coming to She Renovates Live on the 30th of October in Sydney. Oh, by the way, we're also offering it online. The link's in the bio. Bye.